A conducting sphere of radius r is given a charge q. The electric potential and the electric field at the center of the sphere respectively are. Okay. For a conducting sphere, the electric field at the center is 0. The electric field at the center is 0. Then the potential at its center is given by potential at its center. Potential at its center is given by kq divided by r, which is equal to q divided by 4 times pi epsilon naught into r. Then we can see this one, q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r and 0. That means option B is our right answer.